Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to turn on notifications on Telegram. To do this, it's very simple. First of all, you should go and check the options on settings. So you should go to settings, and after that go to apps, and after that look Telegram, and after that go to notifications. And as you can see here, the notifications are not allowed, so I should turn them on. And for the second part, you should go to the app Telegram, and after that go to settings, and after that go to notifications and sounds. And as you can see, you will find here all types of notifications. So to turn on the notifications, you have to go one by one and turn them on. And of course, you can turn some notification on and the other off. For example, if you want to receive notifications for your private messages or your private chats, and you don't want to receive notifications for group chats or channels, you can activate only the notifications for private chats and turn off the others. And like that, you will activate, like I told you, whatever you want from the notifications to receive them on your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.